playing a game called Eggs something, I don't know. Jimmy, tell him what the name is. I don't even know what the name is. Deposit eggs? It's called Chicken Farm. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Chicken Farm. And we're gonna be grinding. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that one bought. So I just bought that. Now I'm gonna collect my eggies. Deposit eggs. Deposit eggs. Yeah, but how do I switch it to money? It's just giving me money. It's on the bottom left. Sorry guys, I got a duck. There's gotta be a way I can freaking... Go figure it out. It's not that hard, Brayden. You have to press a button.
And where are you, Brayden?
Okay. So...
Okay, Brayden, buy 3 chickens.
Let's go with the stock up. While I check.
Eggs.
There's also an index.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh my god! You're clicking stuff, Brayden.
You're clicking stuff.
Collect all the eggs. Wait, okay.
Go over here. Why did this stop?
Now come over here and stand in the
Oh, it needs eggs to deposit.
Right, so this is how you get money. You see me? Okay, so collect the eggs, come over here, and stand on this pad, right here. Right? I did. Yeah, I really did that. And then come over here, and you should be getting money. Once you get $9, come over here, buy more. You should be able to mine. Yep, now you have duck. Oh, the duck? Oh yeah, I just popped it.
Alright, I have 2 ducks. What?
I don't even Yo!
What?
I just installed duck or something. I
Guys, I got dirt. Yeah, I got dirt. It's called Dirt. His name is Dirt.
I'm the king.
How are you the king?
I'm on top of a chicken.
Everyone can do it. Oh my god, I'm actually cooking, bro.
I can be the king right here.
Then I'm gonna buy 5. I'm gonna buy 1. Get your foot out of here. Okay, if I get one more duck, I don't have to work with a dirt duck anymore. Because the dirt duck is actually mad bad, bro. It gives plus 25. And then you say help. It's still blood though. We'll find by 5. And then I merge. What 9? No, I haven't been upgrading. How? How do I do that? Yeah? Jeremy, look how much eggs I've been saving up.
I just haven't done it.
Well, all those eggs stop up? Wait, rocket? 25 bucks. Mhm. Wait, I've had 2 dirt.
I want to jump off the map again.
Huh? Can I see a screen?
Oh, I don't have no more.
Oh, I got a bee duck. I got a bee duck.
Is it the tier 4 duck? The tier 3 is the dirt duck. Yeah.
How much did you have?
Jeremy? Whoa, you're broke. You're broke. Oh my god, I'm so. Jeremy, look at that. Oh! You think I'm broke? I have 2 dirt ones and 1 bee.
I think I'm at the edge of that base.
You're at a random guy's base.
No, I got a lucky block.
How?
God, I did not.
I'm going to the 71, bro. You're broke.
No, it's $71 to open it. Oh, I got a free bee.
Why is there lucky blocks?
There's a lucky block just spawning.
I got a mushroom chicken? It's a tier 5. It's a tier 5.
Why am I only getting bees?
I don't know, but I got another lucky block.
I'm on the side of the map.
I had 500 eggs.
If I get 1 more dirt, then I'm good, man. Set. Yo, Jeremy.
I got 1,000 eggs in my basket.
Oh, you do? The mushroom ones are insane, though. 1 mushroom one gives me 300. Give me more lucky blocks. Do whatever you want. Yeah, sure. Sorry, guys. You are not sick, bro. That's not sick. Oh my god. Jeremy, I may or may not only need 1 more mushroom to get, guy to get a tier 6. Another lucky block. Give me another mushroom one. Come on. I got a bee. I got a bee.
Oh, I got tier 6. It's a dummy.
How did you get tier 6 before me?
I just kept opening lucky
Guys?
Guys, ask me where the chicken shop is.
Where's the chicken shop?
4,000 eggs in my inventory.
There's not a chicken shop. Jeremy, look, Brayden, you're broke.
Huh?
9,000.
Look how much chicken.
Where's the chicken?
Right there! Are you blind? Oh my god, look how much eggs I have.
How much you have?
Oh, here's a lucky block.
Wait, let me check.
I just had mine.
How much eggs do you have in your basket, Jeremy?
Me? Right now I have 4,000.
I'm
So I just had 9,000. Now I have 6,000.
Oh my god. Okay, I know where that is.
It costs money to open Lucky Blocks?
Yo, I just got 25,000. Yo,
Good thing the chicken shop is near me.
Oh, finally, bro, I got the dummy.
Is that going to eggs though?
Oh my god, have you gotten a blue Lucky Block yet?
No.
Look. It costs $22,000 to open? Fuck.
What's that? I 17,000 eggs in my basket.
I just gave that one up because I am not trying to buy that.
I was
You got a B. Lucky Block. Lucky Block. I like opening Lucky Block.
Yo, it's like I have 21,000.
Bro, if I get one more B, then I can merge it into a mushroom. I can merge the mushrooms into a dummy. And yeah, I only need one more dummy. Why does it cost so much to get a freaking, like, eggs? I just had 19,000 in my like.
Almost 30,000.
Oh, is that the
I'm good at the game.
Is that
Ooh.
money on
Yeah. Wait, let me. You only have 66? I have 6,007. Yeah, Brayton, go collect your eggs, bro. We're trying to get good at the game. That's what the video is about. We're trying to get good at it.
Oh, Jimmy, you're cooking.
Oh my god, bro, these kids need to stop spamming my fucking like. Sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Forgive me.
See that?
What'd you buy? Yo, you spent Robux. I'm going on a spending spree. I can't afford that. I'm trying. How much money do you have? I'm trying to save up for the buy 25. I did that twice. Wait, what's your best? Wait, how do you get so much money? Yeah. Is that so?
So you definitely just spend money.
What do you mean? I didn't spend any money, I swear. I'm broke. Look, I'm broke.
Do you have a dummy?
Yes, I have two.
The dummy's actually good.
I'm waiting to merge them. I'm waiting for Lucky Blocks to spawn in. Come to me, because I'm rich.
going from Jimmy, you're all the way back to that.
Remember when?
The blue lucky block right now?
Okay, I'm here.
Oh, they
I got a dummy.
Are they good?
That's talking.
What?
That's talking.
Oh, I got another dummy.
You
I
did?
have 3 dummies. I got a tier. I got a goop. Tier 7.
Oh, Jimmy, I'm coming with you, man.
Yo, what is that?
What is what?
The goop gets 4,000.
Okay, Jeremy, how do you afford like the buy 25 is 12,000 for me, and I can't even get that.
Bro, I have 25,000 eggs right now.
You have
That's how
20
I afford it. I just get eggs.
Yeah, but look at me. I have 30,000.
Okay, Jimmy, I'm
I have
coming to you.
35,000.
I'm coming to you,
Just
Jimmy.
then Zach, then put that in the deposit.
Can you
eggs.
upgrade the deposit?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I haven't been upgrading my money generator.
The money generator.
The money pad.
Oh yeah. Well, that's an upgrade the speed.
Okay, I'm going back in the water.
I need to keep on upgrading it.
50,000 eggs.
I'm going to the other person.
Almost
I
60,000.
should be getting a lot
I
of
have
money now.
60,000 eggs.
I'm going to the other person's base.
Okay.
Who's the other person's?
There's one player.
Oh my god! Jeremy, look at my money!
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Wait, how much? 1 mil?
No.
Oh,
Where are you getting 1 million? I had 8,000 in there.
Only 8,000?
How much do you have? In the
I know
money?
I only have 400, but like I'm 90,000 eggs. Wait, I'm looking for him.
Yo, Brian, come here to my base, bro. Come here.
Yo, now I have to deposit my eggs to get my car. 100K, guys. 100K, 100K. I'm gonna go deposit it.
Brian, come look at my thing, bro. Come here.
Oh my god, I got this one here.
Do you see how tall it is?
Yeah, I'm coming.
It just got taller.
Oh, yo,
Jeremy, look how big this is.
dang, that's big.
I'm merging it all. Oh, I made it all small again.
Oh, a blue mystery.
How did that not get me in the tummy? Oh my god. I don't know, but I'm rich.
Let me see.
50! Oh, how do you drop this? Yeah, I'm disco.
Hold on. Wait.
Oh my god.
7,000.
Oh my god. You way richer than me.
Bro, I have 7,000. Wait, Britton, ready? Britton, see my money? Britton, look, see my money? 7,000, right? Watch.
Okay,
Watch this. Look at my money now. I'm rich.
Yo, now we're at the farmer.
I'm 500. Did I just get scammed or is this a joke?
Guys, you know when I come to my house?
Who's this guy at my base?
I bought 100. Wait, Zach, did it give
Give
you?
me what?
Somebody give me a
100 what? 100 things.
You're 100 chickens!
No. Yeah, I just bought it and they only give me one. Tell me if it worked. Just do the buy 25 twice. Goose? I just got the goose. Like, just got it.
contact. I'm coming.
What?
Oh, it auto merged. It auto merged.
That makes sense.
Then that's useless. Huh? Yeah. Do you have the dirt one? This one? This one? The dirt one? Not yet? Hold up, Brayton. Hold on, watch this. Ready? Hold up. Just wait a second.
That's 431 eggs. Zach,
Egg multiplier.
I gotta redo this.
Okay, because you're about to see my money go up so much. Finally, I can open a blue lucky block. Brayton, sorry, you missed out on the money thing. I'm opening a lucky block. I got a dummy. I can pick it up.
Oh my god. My thing is insane. Zach, look at your eggs.
5,000 eggs.
No, look at the eggs that are spawning.
Yeah.
Look at yours.
Yeah.
Yo, mine's so glitchy. Okay, Zach, I bought one.
Okay. I got another
Zach,
dummy.
when you get 100, this is major.
How come I just went from rich to broke in like 5 seconds? Wait, what happened? Jeremy?
I did like a lucky block, and you just gave me a
Yeah, I got a dummy from 1 too. That's pretty good.
Zach,
Yeah?
you just got that.
Yeah.
When I was like in the water, like next to your house, I saw like all of them come.
Oh my god, Brayton, look at this. Look how much eggs I have. Look how much eggs I have. Do you want to see them all go by? Ready? Goodbye. Yeah.
Zach, I'm jumping off the egg.
My game is glitchy.
I just jumped off the
My game was just so glitchy. I had 55,000 eggs. Look, I can find you. Oh my god, how much eggs do I have? I'll find you right now. Hello. Look above you.
Watch out! Okay.
Did I just disappear? I just disappeared. You're. Just press this. You're back at your house. Cry about it. Cry about it. Wait, you're making your way home?
No.
I can make you go home. Wait, if you want to go home, just press that button on the top. The blue button. Woo!
Hey, kid. It's right here.
Wait, what's that kid's name? Look at him. Ooh, what's his name? Why? Because he doesn't know how to write or type?
Yeah.
Alright. So, guys, for this video, we're cooking my brother. I'm Jeremy's cooking me right now. My brother. Yeah, he's cooking me right now. But, yeah, so, yeah. What happened? I spam bought 25 and then it all disappeared. This game is fire. You guys should go check it out. Pretty good. Yeah, this game is really good. Go check it out. It's a good game. It's just bad when you But yeah, it's pretty fun. Let's say it's fun. Oh, I got a goose.
Going back in the air.
One of the gooses my best thing.
I am not falling. I'm being the most beautiful. Oh my, I'm not even on the thing.
Oh my god, why is it $77,000? I have to?
Or you can just look at my screen.
Okay. Huh. I spam bought 25 and then I got scammed. I finally got the tier 8 the villager.
You okay?
Yeah.
Jack, I want to see the. Oh,
What tier are you at?
You got the.
I'm tier 7.
Jack, you got. Because you got the freaking stuff.
I'm so broke. Brian, look how much eggs I have, bro. I'm broke.
I am.
I only have 150,000.
I only have
Jack, stop trying to flex. It's not fun.
I'm broke.
170.
How much does the red lucky block cost to open? I think it 9 million. Jeremy, have you ever? Yeah, he gives you a lot, but I just got a level 3 lucky block, a red lucky block. And then just go from it and get a bunch. I'm just gonna sit here because I'm just letting my money stock up and my chicken legs. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget. Oh my god! Don't forget to like and subscribe. We out. Peace.